Signing up for a course can be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Here's how you can get started on MySkillsFuture. There are more than 20,000 courses available on MySkillsFuture you can consider. Narrow down your options by searching based on your interest using keywords or browsing by areas of training. Next, filter your search results to shortlist the courses that best suit you. Once you've decided on a course, click on the Submit Inquiry Your Interest button. The course provider will get in touch with you to advise on the registration details and any additional subsidies that you are eligible for. There are several schemes available to make learning accessible and affordable at every stage of your life. You can explore more funding support and initiatives on myskillsfuture.gov.sg. Start your learning journey towards being a better you now.